Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Sacred Space crate for the month of March. Please don't get confused. This is going to be, I'm very late, so this is going to be coming up in April, but there is not going to be an April 2021 Sacred Space crate because she is moving. So we're skipping April. This is March. I'm just really late. If you want to know why, check out my personal update video. Thank you. So this is one of my very favorite boxes. I love Melissa's work. And spoiler alert, she is having a new box coming out, a new type of box coming out later this year, which hopefully I will get and be able to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that. This box is themed on Ostara. I spent Ostara in my mom's living room. And that was the best possible thing that I could have done given the circumstances. So this is the moon forecast. I still keep these even though obviously I'm really late. This information on Ostara. Very lovely. Love the art. Pretty little bunnies. Little bunnies. That did not work. We have some incense sticks. They smell kind of like fruity, perfumey. Oh, I like this. This is a pretty little candle. A little tea light candle. I like that. Okay, so we've got a lot of stuff here. Gardener's Hands, grapeseed oil, calendula, rosemary, lavender, sweet almond, and phenonip. I love her salves. Doesn't smell like anything, but I'm really excited because I do get really gnarly cuticles when I garden. I'm not sure what this is, if this is celestite or not, but I'm going to set it aside, and when I read all the contents, we will circle back. Oh, cool. I was just wearing Sunstone the other day. So this is Sunstone opaque 8mm bracelet. Very, very nice. I can see that we have a Ostara Wildflower offering. Very cool. I'm going to have to plant that somewhere where my husband's not going to mow it to death. My husband is on a roll. After the fires, he is not having any tall grass or anything. Rebirth, spring ceremony, spring equinox ceremony candle. Very cute. Smells so fresh. Smells so spring. I love it. I love it. Okay. Let's see. We've got an oil here. You may not know this, but I have got so many flippin' oils. It's not even freaking cool. And so I am trying. I got all my empty jars, got all my oils. I've got my candle making supplies coming, and I'm going to try to repurpose them for candles. Very cool. I love the contents. Spring Equinox Ritual Oil Rebirth. Might as well open it and smell it. Smells just like the candle, really like fresh and like spring grass or something. I love these little containers, and I do have like wall hanging where I put them. Calendula. I believe I have calendula, quite a bit of calendula, but still very cute. I'll keep the jar for sure. And then we have a very pretty box here. I want to unwrap it. See if I can move that across. So move that across. Aw, cute. Oh, rose quartz pendant. And a little bit of moss. Very, very lovely. Keep that too. Keep all these little bits. Okay, so I think that I'm going to have to go all the way to the bottom to get to, so this is like Sacred Space crate, and so it is a lot of things. There's always something for your space, almost always something to decorate your space. a lot of times. So let's see what we got here. I was actually not on social media at all for the month of March. So I have no idea what I'm looking at. I have no spoilers, thank God. Ooh, I'm glad I was holding that because it kind of fell right out. Oh, that's interesting. Ostara blessings. Very nice. So let's take a gander at everything together. I'm gonna have to move this because it's just very large and my space is small. Okay, and then we will pull this over here, and that should get everything in frame. Perfect. All right, I'm just gonna read this to you very briefly. So I'm not gonna read a lot of this because it's kind of a, you know, the themes around Ostara are something that I'm just not into right now. So suffice it to say, she has a lot of information about Ostara on the top, which is very good information. It's just something I don't want to talk about. So a custom Ostara plaque, because it's hard to find decor for your altar that is specifically for Ostara, so that's really nice. Rose quartz pendant necklace with a 0.925 silver chain, very nice. Oh, Angelite. This is rough Angelite. Creates balance and harmony in your life. Supports emotional healing and promotes positive energy. Cool. That's really cool. Angelite helps you let go of old hurts, but it also allows you to release anger and resentment in your life. Very cool. Sunstone bracelet. So representation of the ultimate energetic source of light, warmth, and life on our planet. So that's really cool. Calendula Flowers. Calendula is gold to any healer's apothecary. Yes, calendula is very good. Not only heals, but is also the flower of the sun. It's considered a lucky herb. I also like to do a calendula and other herbs hair rinse. It's really nice. I'll talk about that whenever I get around to making more of it. Spring Equinox ceremony candle. This smells really good. Hand poured soy candle is curated with the intention of bringing the energies of rebirth and new beginnings. Green candle represents new growth on earth. Sunstone chips are ode to the sun. Green peridot chips are good health and peace. Scent is lotus blossom, very nice. Spring ritual oil, lotus blossoms, rose petals, jasmine, calendula, and chrysanthemums represent growth and beauty. And sunstone chips, very nice, very nice. Ostara wildflower offering seeds. You basically plant them. I will look for a spot that's pretty barren to plant these on my property, which should not be that hard, you know, after the fire. Flower tea light candle is very cute. I like it a lot. Fertility incense sticks. Peach, blackcurrant, lilac, jasmine, spicy hyacinth, and warm vanilla bean. Gardener's Hands healing salve. I'm really excited about this. Calendula, rosemary, and lavender, and sweet almond oil. So I'm really excited. The Ostara artwork, the moon in the zodiac calendar. So there is not going to be a box in April. We've already talked about that. And the May theme is Spellcaster. Ooh, so exciting. Very exciting. Very lovely box. Very put together. Very on point. You know, very unique decor. Just all good, handy items that you can use in this this season harness the seasonal energies. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to leave a link for the website in the description bar below. And I so look forward to connecting with you soon. Thank you for watching.